Welcome to Ola's Coding Corner.
A step-by-step guide to getting started in tech. Before diving into the world of tech, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Are you interested in web development, mobile app development, data science, or something else? Understanding your goal will help you choose the right path and focus your efforts. Research and identify the technologies and programming languages that align with your goal. So, for web development, you could consider HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. For mobile app development, you might explore Swift for iOS or Java Kotlin for Android. In the field of data science, Python and R are popular choices. Start with the fundamentals of programming and computer science concepts. Online platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Coursera offer introductory courses on various programming languages and technologies. Building a strong foundation will make it easier for you to grasp more advanced concepts in the future. Theory is important, but practical experience is crucial to becoming proficient in tech. Apply what you learn by working on small projects or solving coding challenges. Create a personal website, develop a simple mobile app, or contribute to open-source projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment if you find this video helpful.